Alright, hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to use Kling AI. Okay, so Kling AI is a platform that can help you to generate AI images, AI videos, and even effects. Okay, so you can see samples of what has been created from previous creators. You can be able to see what they've created, and as usual, as you hover over any of them, you'll be able to see the prompt that generated those images. Now to start, once you come to klingai.com, it will bring you over here, and as usual, you can see all the different models. You can have AI images, AI videos, and effects. So let's start by creating AI images, and let's see what we can create from this. And you can see all you need, this is text to image, and if you want, you can have AI virtual try on. But for this, let's restrict it to text to image. So you can type in your prompt here, and then you can write on something like, okay, give me the image of a man holding a lion with a rope, let's say in a busy street. Okay, so we can come down here and you have some hints if you're interested, and then you can upload a reference image if you want to upload a reference image. And then down here you can put in the aspect ratio, which determines what kind of size do you want your image. So let's say we go with 16:9, and you can adjust the number of counts, generating counts. How many images do you want to generate? The default is 4, and this is going to take 4 credits. So let's just go ahead and say generate, and let's see what this is going to give us. And I think it has generated the images. You can see this one, this one, this one, this one. And I think the one that got it right is nearly this one, because it's a man holding the lion in a busy street. This one is a girl holding the lion. This one is a boy holding the lion. And this one is just a little dog holding the lion. So you can see this one is the one that actually got it close. And look at the sharpness and clarity of the image. I think this is very, very clear. And you can download it as well from here. Download with watermark. You can just click and it's just going to download. You just have a small watermark to this, but the image is superb and is very, very clear, right? So you can see it right now. It's just being downloaded. You can click to have a preview of what you have generated. Only that you have the small watermark, which you can easily remove if you're interested, maybe during post-processing. So that is image generation. Let's go back to the dashboard. And let's do video generation. Now, video generation, you have 3 options. You can do text to video and you can do image to video. So let's say we do text to video. Okay, generate the video of a lion walking in the bush alone. Okay, so you can have some hints as well, and you have other settings like the creativity, and over here you have the mode, standard mode, or if you want to go with professional mode, you can select. The duration, we can go up to 10 seconds, but let's keep it at 5. And then we can vary the aspect ratio depending on what kind of video you're creating. The generating count would keep it at default, which is 1. Camera movement, if you have any camera movement, you can define negative prompt. If you have any prompt that you don't want included in your video, you can as well include it. So over here, I think what we have is okay. And you can get inspiration directly if you want inspiration, or you can ask DeepSeek if you want as well. So you can come down here. If you have everything ready, you can click on generate, and this is going to generate a simple video of a lion walking in the bush alone. Alright, so and as you can see, the generation has just been completed. So let's play to have a preview of what we have just created. So take a look at the clarity and how the lion is looking. Actually, it is looking very, very good, and the prompt actually got it exactly. The AI got it exactly as we want it. So you can go ahead and view it full screen if you want to view it full screen, or you can exit this and you can download directly from here. And it's just going to download it with just a small watermark that you can remove if you want to edit. So this is it being downloaded. So let me show you 2 other creations that I have that are really, really fantastic for you to take a look at. So take a look at this one. All right, so you can see the sample videos that I've just talked about. Let me show you the videos. In each case, this is the first one. This one, it's a simple boy swimming underneath a swimming pool. and he's enjoying the swimming. And then let's look at the second one, which is this one. It's a huge gorilla that is moving on a very busy street that you can see just like so. So please just go ahead and explore and see what you can do, what you can generate with this. So this concludes this simple tutorial about the use of Kling AI to generate videos, to generate images, and so much more. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a like if you do. Thank you and see you around.